I'll be loving every Sunday.
Who are we?
We are
the Honor Family.
I'm sorry.
I like your light, but I wonder would you light up mine? I've been feeling shine away from who I really am. I wish the world would slow down so I can have my own peace of mind. But I won't shine away from who gon' take mine. Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.
Hello YouTube. Welcome to our POV nature vlog. This is the beginning of the day when me and baby K was walking to the store. I'm gonna go ahead and speed the video up so it doesn't take too much time.
You gonna call it? Like, yeah. Stop bringing me grip. So, yeah. Nature is beautiful, ain't it?
This grass is getting really tall again.
I
I
know.
just cut it.
Yeah, cause like, look at this.
What is that?
This. That was short at first. That was short at first.
This wasn't here when we did it.
I swear it wasn't.
It wasn't like right there. This is not here. What are these?
I don't even know.
They're like little peas. Like
That's
what?
crazy. Look at the sky. It's beautiful, y'all. Look at this in her hand. That's cool. Oh, look at this. Crazy. We do got some beautiful stuff back here in the back. Where? Let me go see. That is nice.
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Oh, it's cracked up in the back.
It's a hole in the back. That would be nice.
You want it? She want this, y'all.
We're gonna, I'm gonna go put this in the backyard.
Why are you running for? Like you getting chased by something?
I'm
Give me that! Give me that! You stealing my cup stuff! Give it! You stealing from me!
It's mine now. Alright, where should we sit? Because I don't know about this building.
I don't know.
Let's just hope it's still here. Let's just hope it's still here. Right here. There.
Stiller. But yeah, look at that sky, y'all. It's beautiful. I go an airplane. I don't know if y'all see it, but it's like right there.
It has bubbles on it. That's really weird.
Huh?
It has like bubbles on it.
Oh, I thought you was talking about Bubbles the bird. I felt like, what? What?
We haven't seen bubbles in like a month. Has it been a month? No, maybe not.
I don't think so.
Maybe close enough though.
Where you going?
I don't know, we're just walking and just exploring this beautiful nature because nature is gorgeous, right?
What is that, like a fan thing? Chain? That's why.
He's backing up. I don't know what he want to do. So you guys, my broken glass right there. I'm not just seeing that glass.
Dang, look at that. Crazy. But yeah. Oh, look at that blowing thing. You want to blow? It's right there. You want to do it? You love this nature? This is everything.
It really is beautiful.
Like the trees.
Oh, it's a bird.
Oh, I got a bird.
Where did he just go? He was so pretty.
Right there.
It's right there. Y'all see it moving? Oh.
Why did he fly, Barry?
Yeah, I think he's
Oh,
gone.
finna get it on the shore. Crazy. Oh, he's right there.
You guys, these are so cool. And look how little these are, y'all. Those and these. Xavier just left us, y'all. Y'all see him? He's right there. So, we're gonna just go explore nature until Xavier gets done doing what he's doing. Right there. Like, I really want to just show you guys these deep. Look how beautiful. Yeah, look at all these ants. There you go. And then I think these are leaves right here. These leaves right here. I think these are the leaves that my dad used to feed our little pet rabbit or bunny we used to have. These right here. I think it's these thick ones right here. Yeah.
Right. What you was telling me?
These leaves, I'm pretty sure these look like the same leaves that my dad used to feed our pet bunny.
That's pretty cool just to remember.
I'm not sure, but I think so. Because those like real thick leaves that they used to use.
That's crazy. How you remember it?
Because, I don't know, I just have good memory for some things.
Yeah.
Look how pretty these leaves are. They're so pretty. I want to go over here in this field right here and see if there's any flowers or anything nice over here as well. But look at these so cool leaves. Like, wow, look at that. Babe, come check these leaves out. These things are huge.
Oh, them are huge.
Look at these cool leaves. I thought those were really, look how they look on camera.
Oh, them do look beautiful. Look at all this big old field. Look at that. I don't know. What if you can buy this?
Because if you look, it's like concrete go all the way around.
Yeah,
It
look.
probably was a house right here.
But what if you take this whole field?
What would you put right here?
A garage and then a house. If I can place it on there. If I can
I don't think
place
I'll
it
put
like
like a building like that. I think it'd be one big old house.
yeah.
Like a big driveway and it's a big backyard. Yeah. Big old tree the way up there. I'll call the fire department. My husband's stuck in a tree. I would think you're stuck. But it's really high up.
What you doing?
Hi. I'm just exploring the nice weather outside today. It's not real cold. It's a bit chilly, but I mean, it's real nice out. Sun's out.
It's beautiful too. The sun.
Definitely
It's
beautiful.
the sky. Look at the sky though. Look at them trees. Look at you.
Yes, look at this house.
They made
This-
that house beautiful though.
No, yeah, this is beautiful, but they have nature growing in their house, you guys.
That's cool.
That's cool. That's really dope. And you're beautiful too. Thank you, my love. Where else are you gonna go? You're gonna go show us? Ooh,
Lou, look at this field.
this is long, and this grass is very tall, you guys. If you guys can see, all the way over there, all them yellow flowers are right there. So yeah, you gonna go in the front and show them? Oh, what about your cars?
Hmm?
Your cars? Okay, we're gonna see you guys when we get in the front of the house so we can show you the nature in the front. Alright, see you.
Hey, baby.
Different spot, different field.
Bigger
We
field.
have like so many. How many fields we have around? It's like 3 or 4?
So many. So many.
This one's like the most biggest one around us.
You think so?
Besides Kennedy King Field.
Yeah.
This is the most big. So
This is
we'll
the
take you
most
to like a
girls
little
one.
thing right here.
Right here.
Right here where these trees are, and it's kind of deep. I'll take you before. There's probably snakes and everything down here.
You think so?
There you go.
Look how deep this is, y'all.
I told you. What are these? Look at these.
Crazy.
This is our view.
You want me to jump it to you? Look. I'm finna throw it to you.
Oh, I caught it. Thank you. All right, you guys. Check this house out right here. What do you
That's
think about
crazy.
this?
Look
So
at that.
much leaves and things in the house. So crazy. But this is our look, our view from where we are. Hey, Zaire.
What's up, baby?
You good, babe?
Mm-hmm. You see the nature?
Look at that
You
huge
wanna go
building.
next to the tree?
I never came. I wonder what was in this field at one time.
I want to.
Like, have you ever like seen any buildings or anything over here?
Nope.
It's some concrete right here. What?
My serious. I want to stop playing.
No. Look at, oh look.
Yeah, look at the colorful rock right there. That's probably was from like a house or something.
Yeah, like brick. Look, you guys, this tree fell over. I don't know what was right here. It looks like separate sections. I don't know. It's a lot of glass over here too, though. You gotta be really careful. Y'all, this is just a point of view of us out in nature, you guys. A point of view, a POV of exploring nature.
You know, we got to bring y'all along.
Of course. This is so, you guys, the street is all the way over there. We are far back in this field.
Look at this.
Oh, those are really pretty. Oh, those are so smooth. Wow, yeah, you guys, these are fresh.
Ooh, what's this up here? What's that? Don't touch it, though. What's that? Them.
That might be like dead flowers. Yo, I want to go to like some woods and just explore so much.
Oh, me too. I want to go into like abandoned buildings.
You know what we should do next time?
What?
Next time we go to the park, we should explore their woods. If we go there today.
Yeah, I want to.
Come on,
Oh, you talking
adventure
about like in the park? Oh,
Yeah, because you know they have like woods and
Yeah.
stuff. We can name it. Come on an adventure with us or something. Like, oh my God, that'd be such. Like, look at these, y'all. Chicago is so beautiful, y'all. And like, I don't understand. Like, I don't know. And it goes all the way back there too. But I'm not going back there. It's dirty. But yeah, Chicago's nature is just beautiful. I can't wait till we do a tour of downtown for them.
Oh, I can't wait.
That would be an exciting video. Super exciting. So what else is next? Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at that big old.
That thing's huge.
Yeah, it look like a look. If you look at this, everybody know it's like a shark teeth.
Sorry, you guys. I cut the camera on accident. They heard you though.
Okay.
I cut it right after you put the rock down. What is
Look
this,
on-
you guys? These
look
are
on-
anthills, you guys.
Hell.
How can the anthill get into concrete? I don't understand this. Have you ever seen like the big mountain anthills that like stands up real high?
Real high.
Yes.
Never seen that. I always wanted to see that.
So here's a story for you guys while we're walking back to the street. When I was like 3 or 4, we had like this little field next to our house, and right on the edge of the sidewalk next to our gate where our house, like the yard ended,
Yeah,
it was a big old anthill stood this tall.
that
And
is so
I was
crazy.
like 3 or 4, I remember. It was fire ants in there. It was red ants.
Oh, I never seen. I
I'm-
don't think I never seen fire ants before.
Really?
No, I never seen fire
They're
ants
red.
before.
So it was an anthill full of fire ants. Me as a little kid, not knowing, I went and was playing in
Look it up, y'all.
I was playing in the anthill, you guys. I was playing in the anthill and I got bit up so many times. I had to hurry up and hop in the tub.
That's crazy. You
I
was,
had
it
ant
was
bites all on
burning.
my yes. I had ant bites all on my body. I still had ants crawling on me when I was in the tub. Yeah, never play in the anthill, you guys. I learned my lesson when I was like 3 or 4. Welcome back, you guys. So it is later this evening. Well, really nighttime, you guys, because it's literally 3:19 in the morning.
In the
Kids are asleep. It just means that yeah, we've been up all night long.
wake the kids up.
Sorry, let's go over there in the back because, y'all, we just got Ray to sleep, you guys. Ray was the one being really fussy.
Yes, I swear.
So, with that being said, how are you doing tonight, baby?
I'm doing well. I hope everybody else doing good, but I just want to know. I just want y'all to know that y'all can do anything y'all want to right now. If y'all sitting at home right now, just going crazy and not knowing what to do, just get on your laptop and look up how to become the most successful person in the world. I promise you could become the most successful person in the world just by thinking about it.
Yes,
'Cause you got the
absolutely.
goals to do that. Nobody can tell you can't be successful. You have your mind to know that. You got the key to your own mind.
Of course. And I hope everybody had a blessed day today because I know today was a good day for me. What about you, babe?
Man,
It was a good day.
real good.
It was actually good weather outside because we did a video out. If we don't do a video outside, normally means it's probably not a good day to go outside because we like to be outside because, you know, we love nature or whatever. So,
But you know, we like to bring y'all more videos and 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 more videos.
back to back. But yeah. So yeah. But anyways, Really hope you guys enjoy this video. Wake up in the morning with a big smile on your face because tomorrow's going to be a good day for you. At least I hope so. With that being said, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified when we upload our next video and our family is out. See you next time.
Baby K.
Go ahead.
We are the family. Thank you for the watching.
Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.